Welcome to this Maths-Whizz tutorial, a teacher's guide to administering student assessments.
It is important that assessments are administered properly to ensure accurate baseline data and, as a result, effective individualized programs aimed at each student's ability in every topic. When students are ready to do their assessment, remember to show them that getting the most out of your assessment video.
We will provide you with login sheets. Print these out and cut them up in advance. These can be glued in their maths books or homework books or put in a safe place. Older students may wish to have a pen and paper to do working. Get all students to go to www.whizz.com and enter their username and password. The username is not case sensitive, so they don't need to use capital letters.
When students first log in, they will see a prompt to watch the introductory video, How to Get the Most Out of Your Assessment. If you have shown your students the introductory video in class, there is a link to this in your implementation guide. Tell them to click Watch Video, and then they are told if they have seen the video with you to click on the back button so they don't have to watch the video again. Then they will press Continue to start their assessment. Once students have finished their assessments, they will appear on the Maths Age distribution line in the class reports. You can run the assessments with all students in your class if you have the technology, or you can roster the students on the computers available. It is important that the students have headphones so that they can hear the instructions and, if possible, have students do their assessments on a device other than an iPad or tablet. However, if iPads are your preferred device, then be sure to see the iPad action point in the implementation guide to ensure all iPads are set up before you start your assessments and that you have shown your students the student video on using Maths-Whizz on iPads and tablets.
We recommend that you start your assessments in the morning so that you can ensure all students who start have finished before they go home, to prevent parents and siblings helping them, which may distort their result. Maths-Whizz will give the students questions based on their date of birth or previous levels. If they get answers correct, the questions will get harder. If they get them wrong, they will get easier, until Maths-Whizz finds their level. The student video tells them to put their hand up if they don't know the answer to a question.
A good question to ask is, do you understand this, or would you like Maths-Whizz to teach it to you? It is better that you press the don't know button rather than the students having a guess, otherwise Maths-Whizz may come in with questions at the wrong level. Watch out for students who sit for a long time not attempting questions, as they may be anxious and this will only serve to lengthen the assessment. Do not be tempted to help them with the maths, as if they don't get it right in their assessment, Maths-Whizz will give them lessons targeting what they don't know. If you help them, or they get help from other students, their program will be set at a level too high for them. If a student is well above or below their level indicated by their date of birth, the assessment can take longer as they work through the questions and the Maths-Whizz engine seeks to find their relative ability level in that topic. It is vital that assessments are done under test conditions, taken seriously, and under no situations should the children be left to complete the assessments unsupervised or at home, as this could compromise the integrity of the data. If they are left to do it on their own, they often get help, and it sets their program too hard. When a topic has been assessed, the hamster will continue up the track until they finish and then ride the roller coaster. Once they have done this, the computer screen in their study is unlocked, and they can now start on their program in their tutor mode. Remember to show students the iPad video if you are on iPads, and then show all students getting the most out of their assessment.